Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. So today I'm going to give you a review about a serum which is a brightening serum. So can anyone guess what's the star ingredient in this serum? Yes, you are right. Vitamin C is the star ingredient of this serum and it's none other than Garnier Vitamin C Serum. So Garnier has launched a brand new product which is Garnier Vitamin C Serum, which has 30x vitamin C and yuzu lemon. So these two are the main ingredient of the serum. So if we talk about the formulation of the serum is very lightweighted and has a non-oily formula. As it's very lightweight, it leaves a very soft and smooth finishing to your face and can be listed as a perfect serum for summertime. As I have oily skin, I would definitely recommend it for the summertime and for those who have normal to extreme oily skin because it totally leaves a matte finishing to your face. I'm saying this from my totally personal experience. If you see its ingredients, it has vitamin C, which plays the vital role to fade your dark spots and give you a healthy glow. And the other ingredient, which is yuzu lemon, it's also a type of antioxidant. So it will make your skin more youthful and fresh and slow down your aging process also. If you use it constantly, of course, on a regular basis. The product also claim that it reduces your spots within 3 days. But yes, I think it's not totally true because any type of serum or beauty products cannot do a miracle within a very short time. So, with any kind of harness product, you have to wait to see the final result after using the product for at least 1 or 2 months. So, not only for the Garnier serum, I will suggest you for with all the skincare product that you have to be consistent about it. You have to wait until 1 and 1.5 month or 2 month at least to get the best result. So yeah, that was the review of the serums. So yeah, it is a good serum for regular use, but I would not recommend it for someone who has slightly sensitive skin because when I use that serum for the first time, I don't know, maybe it can be a coincidence or it can be the problem with the product. I don't know what was that, but in the first day of using that serum, I got little bumps over my forehead. So I was a bit confused whether I am using it or not. But then I decided that as I bought it, so I have to give it a try. But please, if you feel any type of itchiness or harshness or like you are getting pimple all over your cheeks, all over your forehead, so I would say definitely stop using it because it's natural that all type of beauty product wouldn't suit to your skin. It's very common, it's very natural. So if you have that type of sensitive skin, that you can skip it. Maybe vitamin C isn't that suitable for you, it can happen. So if you have normal skin, then you can definitely give it a try. So that's all for today, everyone. And please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And also you can like my video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Allah Hafiz.